Like, we're not gonna have to go get a facial in a minute because you can buy like the personal steamer, you can buy like the dermabrasion. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by for another Vlogsgiving review edition video. So today I'm going to do another Instagram review of a product that I thought you guys would be highly interested in. This is a home edition version of microdermabrasion. Upon doing a little bit of research though, guys, I did see that this product was available on multiple different sites. I will link all of those in the description box below. But guys, before we jump into the review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you care. Hit that notification bell so you can be alerted every single time that I upload. But guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So as you guys can see, I am completely barefaced today just so that we can do this review. As you can see, I'm going to be doing a review on the multifunctional cleaning instrument, and it is very cute. I love that it is rose gold and it's white. When you open the product up, you can see like the little cover, and it comes with the actual cleaning instrument, and it already has one of the skinny tips on, and it also comes with 5 different other size tips. As you can see, this is the magnetic tip, this is the wide tip, and this is the one that I will use in the video. It also comes with a small tip, and this tip is probably for around like smaller areas like your nose and the small of your mouth and areas like that. And then it also comes with this tip right here, which is, not sure, it's an oval tip, so maybe for like oval areas, like maybe another like nose one. So just like different tricks. Obviously you guys, we are not professional. This is an at-home device, so if you want to look up dermabrasion, you can obviously look it up online from an esthetician. It also comes with this charger, a USB type of charger that would plug into the actual thing here, and you can plug it into the wall. Obviously you would have to get a port to plug it into the wall, or you can just plug it into your computer or whatever you have available. So the power goes like this. You hold it down and it comes on. That's the first level, the second level, and the third level. To turn this one off, you just hold it down for 3 seconds and it automatically goes off. So yeah guys, that is pretty much everything that comes in here and how it works. So let's jump back into the video. Put this one on here. The way that you put it on is that you just put it there. If you hold it like really steady, it will go off. So I have a hot towel. I'm gonna open up my pores. I'm going to place it on the first setting first and see what happens. Alright, well, let's turn it up and see if it does anything more. I don't know if I like this head. Let's try a different head and see how that works. Let's try this bigger head. And I'm going to push it all the way up to the very last one just to see, will it do anything different? Oh, it has contact, guys. Look at that. My skin feels honestly amazing after this. You see that little funky stuff right there? That's all from my skin. I'm gonna give this 5 stars. Like, why not? Like, it's super great. It works amazing. I have no issues with this product. I think that you guys should go and buy you one. It was like $39. That is a really cheap price for something you can use in conjunction with doing your face mask and all of those things at home. Like, we're not gonna have to go get a facial in a minute. Like, you have your at-home mask and all of those things. Like, what are we gonna go and need a facial for? Because like, we could do it at home, girl. Yes, I love that for me. But yeah, guys, that's all for this review today. I hope that you love these product reviews. But either way, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.